I'm starting with Warner Brothers Discovery.
Yes,
there you go,
let's get this deal
Paul.
done.
Okay, WBD, their shares have been up nearly 2%. So it's feeling the second round of bids, right? From Netflix, Paramount Skydance, Comcast. That includes a mostly cash offer from Netflix. Paramount's offer reportedly includes debt financing from Apollo. Sources are saying Middle East funds also contributing to that. But you had bankers from Paramount, Netflix. They were all busy over Thanksgiving, the long weekend. Sources saying an auction could wrap up in the coming days or weeks, but they also say the offers are binding, so that means the board can sign off on a deal quickly if they're met. So could those companies adjust their offers again? I think
that yes is the answer. I mean, money always talks. So if you're the board, you got to maximize shareholder value. But saying that the offer is binding says, guys, I want your best and final right now. Can you come back and sweeten it maybe a little bit later? Right. Maybe, but we're ready to go now.
And you say they need a 3 in front of that figure.
Well, yeah, I'm not sure they're going to get that, though. I'm not sure they're going to get. I've seen a lot of the research out on the street. If you want the buyer to pay for synergies now, maybe you can get to that number. I don't know. So we'll see.
Okay, perfect.
That's fun.
So Bayer, I want to hit them because their shares have hit the highest level since January 2024. They've been up as much as 14%. The reason behind this is President Trump's administration. They urged the Supreme Court to take up the company's appeal in thousands of those Roundup weed killer cancer lawsuits. You had their top courtroom lawyer recommended to the high court that they agree to hear Bayer's challenge. It's a $1.25 million Missouri jury verdict over Roundup. So the Roundup issue, it's been affecting the company for a long time. Since the takeover of Monsanto in 2018. It's already handed over more than $10 billion in verdicts and
when
settlements.
When they bought Monsanto, I was like, man, why would you buy into all that headache? But I guess they felt
they did. They did.
So I listened to the Farm Channel on Sirius XM. Okay. Farmers are still using that stuff.
Yeah.
They're like, if you don't, you're screwed. I mean, but it's been reformulated, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. But the farmers are saying, you got to use something like that. Anyway.
We'll see where this one goes.
Yep.
And then I have a few quick ones because there's not too much meat to some of these. But the first one is database software company MongoDB. It's ticker MDB. Shares have been up as much as 23%. So that's why these stocks are on the move. It reported stronger than expected results, raised its forecast. Then you go to biopharma company Janux Therapeutics, sinking more than 40%. I mean, they had this early stage clinical trial data for prostate cancer treatment. It disappointed. So Janux said the latest data was encouraging, but I guess investors thought it wasn't enough. And so that's why their shares are really tanking on that news. And then finally, Signet Jewelers, you know them, right? They're the parent company of Kay, Zales, Jared, great for the holiday time. People get their jewelry. Well, their shares are down about 3%. They beat quarterly earnings, but they projected a tough holiday season. And you think holiday season, that goes into Valentine's Day.
Oh, absolutely.
So that might be kind of a difficult thing.
Now, if we had the discussion of would you accept a synthetic diamond versus a lab-grown diamond versus a real diamond?
I totally would. If I were to get a ring, because I always wanted a gold ring, for Christmas, I would say lab-grown diamonds all the way, but the real gold.
Would be nice.
For the real gold, but the lab-grown diamonds.
Mr. Mateo,
you'll take it.
If you're listening, Mr. Mateo, how about you?
Exactly.
I would.
Even for an engagement ring, you'd be okay with that.
Maybe just don't tell me. I'm kidding.
See, I know.
Kidding.
I'm telling you. That's a tricky slope there for the kids today.
It's a slippery slope.
I don't know.
I think it's a smart move.
But hey, it's an
kids.
Option.
You think it's a smart move for kids?
Yeah,
Save the money.
Other things. Save the money. Put it to a house. Do something else. There's so much debt
economy.
as it is.
All right, good for you. I mean, I took so we'll see. I just can't imagine. But they say you can't tell
the
difference.